Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're back out at SilverLeaf. Specifically, we're at Reverie, Dreamfinders 55 plus community, and we're at the Bourton. It's a 1,700 square foot, 2-bedroom villa home, and we're gonna learn a little bit about it. So come on, let's go. All right, gang, as we look at the Bourton here, it's a villa, as we know, and they're basically two connected homes. You got a right side and you got the left side. They're mirror images of each other. So we're gonna take a peek at them here. Hope you guys are doing great today. Again, the Bourton is 1,709 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex room and a 2-car garage. Pretty nice setup if you're looking for a smaller home. You want to get into SilverLeaf. Pretty cool space. First thing we got is a garage right here. Pretty standard stuff, nothing exciting. In this one, they went ahead and did the epoxy on the floors, water softener loop over there, which you could option up when you build from scratch. And they may have them in some of their inventory homes, but I'm not sure. We'd have to look at each individual home to find that out. Hope you're doing fantastic today. Thanks for coming along. Nice coat closet right there, and our washer and dryer space. Again, they've got this tuned up pretty good, I'll say. Tile, that nice tile on the floor. You can do all that at the design center if we find a lot that you like and you want to build one. Okay, we can do all that at the design center. Got a nice flex space here, very nautical looking. Again, if you're looking for a smaller home and you want a little, maybe little less maintenance, this might be a great option for you. Another coat closet. Coming into our front bedroom. This is a pretty good sized bedroom, actually. It's got a ton of light the way this one faces. It's facing kind of westerly. Pretty dang nice. Again, 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors optioned up. Standard is 6'9" doors or 6'8" doors with 9-foot ceilings. I got all the upgraded hardware on them. Pretty nice. Let's see what this, oh, they got this in. This will be standard. They got standard stuff, standard fiberglass tub surround, like a lot of builders are using. Okay, and if you build from scratch and you again, you're only going to be able, you can only put so much money into your house, and so the secondary bathrooms is not where you want to spend a lot of money. So this is more of a standard kind of a setup here, where we got a slide-in stove with our 4-burner cooktop, but we do have nice quartz, the thicker quartz, and nice Aristocrat cabinets. And I love the tile backsplash here they did. Pretty dang nice. Again, it's a 1,700 square foot home, so you're not gonna have a giant island, but you do have enough for 2 chairs there. This is your pantry space here. It's kind of deep. It's for a kind of a step-in sort of pantry, I might call it. So pretty adequate amount of space, actually, for a 1,700 square foot home. Those big 3.0 windows bring in a ton of light, and then you got the big 8-foot sliders on the back. This one, they got it with a cage out there, very nice. Then a smaller window over here on the side. Coming into the master. Pretty cool. I like it. The home is not super huge, but it's a villa home, so it's not going to be super huge on the smaller lots here. But definitely, if you're looking for a little easier living, I might say, pretty cool. Look at this. I love the way they tuned that up with two soap niches. Wow. Linen closet, I would assume. Correct. And a decent sized walk-in closet. Wow. All right, I'm impressed with this. And I would assume this is where the air handler is going to be. Did they hide it? They did. What a great idea. You will never hear that thing run. What a great idea. All right, let me take you back out to the living room. This is pretty much a quick tour here on the Bourton. Look at that. Pretty nice. I like it. All right, gang, that was the Bourton by Dreamfinders here at Reverie. We do appreciate you coming along today. If we can get you any more information, help get you into a home, give you a personal tour, this home, any home, give us a shout out. We're here for you guys. We'll take great care of you, I promise. And on that, I want you to have a great day. Thanks.